Hello all, when we have the uh, device ready in the Arduino cloud and we have the thing connected to it. So we go to the, first of all, let us go to the things. Okay. So from home, when you go to the things, okay, we see the following window, right? Click on things, okay, and we see this window, right? So where the things are created now. From this window itself we can download the code to Arduino board. So go to the sketch, and when we have the sketch ready, we will try to verify and upload. So for this, when we see that the connectivity firmware update window pops up. So let us click on update. When we click on update, you can see here this tries to connect it to the IoT device, and it remains in this state and tries to improve the device connectivity. You can see here, it says the connectivity module firmware is being checked. So this remains in this state, the firmware update state, for some time. And actually, as we wait for some time, we see that once the firmware update runs, we see that we were not able to update the firmware. Something went wrong. So you can click try again, but still it lands up in the same problem. Okay. So one of the issue with this is, okay, when we go to the setup, okay, so here one thing what we have to ensure is the Wi-Fi name, the Wi-Fi password, and the secret key must be proper. So now if you see here, Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password for us looks good, but when we go to the secret key, it looks suspicious. Okay, so the actual secret key for us is this. So let us try to save this. Okay, and once you go here, oh, still it is showing the same. So let us we'll try to type manually. Now you can see the secret key is proper. And now let us go to the sketch and let us try to verify. Okay, now let us try to run whatever update it happens. You can see once the process is done, so we don't see the error anymore. So this is the key has been set properly, and here, as the board is detected, it is still showing offline. Let us try to refresh and see if it comes online. So here, once the dump has happened, the firmware has been uploaded, the status should show online here. If you are facing all the problems that we have seen with respect to the connectivity firmware, go to the Arduino Uno IDE, okay, and ensure that you selected the right board. Your board must be plugged into your system, and go to Tools, click on Firmware Updater, and here you have to find your board and click check for updates. Okay, so here ensure that you have the 0.3.0 installed. So once this is installed, click on install and it will override the connectivity firmware. Basically it will upgrade the firmware on the module, and it will enable you to perform the download from this cloud. So you can see here, when we click on updating, upload, verify and upload, you can see we don't see any firmware upgrade pop-up that is coming up. Okay, so that's what we have to do. And then once this is done, you see a success here, and if you go to the setup you can see the device is online. Okay, so the problem with the connectivity firmware upgrade is solved.